Okay, here we go again. This is me. I'm Pete. Yep. This is little Pete's room. I built these shelves a while ago for him, for his computer and everything. As you can see, he's got them all plugged up with books, crap, junk, stuff on the floor, books. Kurt Cobain. Okay, so now I got to build him another bookcase over here in the corner so he can collect more junk. So, okay, that's my project for today. Now let's see where we're at. Oh, the dog. Yeah, Satori. Squeaky, where's Squeaky? Come on, you're coming. Okay, here are my boards for the project. Toolbox. Okay. So that's what I'm about today. Alright, now if I can, I'll show you how to cut a board square. Measured it to length. Put a mark on it. Let's see, how am I going to do this now? Okay, put this guy here. Use this square. I got pretty good squares these days. I used to have to make these out of plywood. I had to make me a wooden square. Now, like so. Use the square as a guide. Check it. What's the back edge? Stand in the front edge a little bit. Again, top and bottom. Hey! Okay, now I'm going to put it in place. Let's see, it's got a little bit of slope this way, so I'm going to put it in this way. Now you wonder, how am I going to make these shelves square? I'll show you that. I'm going to get the front edge flat. I'm going to put a nail in it. No. I just got to be careful. Now, take my square. Okay. It's square. Now I'm going to put my on top, right to this edge of the board. Take my gun. Okay. Now I got a nail sticking through here. I gotta get the nail out of there. But put the shelf in there square. Okay, that's how you square the shelf. Okay, now I'm going to flip the whole thing over. I guess I'll set it back up on my benches because it's a little bit of height. I'm going to turn it now so I can work from the same side. Okay, this is the front over here again. Hey, Chloe. Hey, Satori. Now, same thing on this side. That's good right there. Good. about to run out of nails now. Okay. These boards are good. Sometimes ever. Okay, now I'll go get some more nails. Yep. Okay, so now I got to prepare the space where I'm going to put this bookshelf. Well, I see, I'm going to have to move this guy. I'll reattach that to the edge of the bookcase, which is coming here, right up alongside the window casing. I'll cut the sill off so it'll go down past to the floor. Cut the base out, shoe molding over to here, and cut it there. So how am I going to do that? Okay, so now I slammed it up there in place, and I had to cut the left upright 1/8 of an inch because the shelves were not level. And that's because the floor was not level. And I could have measured that first. I could have put a level on the floor to begin with to see that it wasn't quite level, and that this side had to be cut down 1/8 of an inch shorter than this side in order for the shelves to be level. But I didn't. So now I slammed it up into place, put a couple of screws, tighten it over this way, put my first piece up there, and then this piece we'll begin to trim it out. Something like so. And then another piece will come down the side, and that'll be about it. Put the little bottom pieces back in, and okay, that's it. See you. Okay, one final little note here. You may have noticed that the uprights are 1/8. The shelves are only 1/6. Leaves a space about 2 inches between the wall and the back of the shelves. And this allows, if you want to put a radio up there or something, this allows for you to drop a cord behind all your books. And also it prevents the shelves from hitting the wall, which might be all out of whack, and you have to end up planing all your shelves down. So that's what that's about. See you. Okay, and now finally, this is what the room's supposed to look like. Floor space. Yeah. See? Book. Yep. Kurt, still there. This mess still over here, but look at the floor. Yeah, pretty good. Behind the door is a little bit rough. But anyhow, this is the way the little peach room is. I don't know what else to do in here. That's about it. Suppose I could put a row of books up there along the ceiling above the window. Over there to there, but anyhow. That's it. See you.